Evening all, it's that moment we've been waiting for. It's now happy hour. Happy Friday everyone. What I'm going to do tonight, instead of showing you a cooking recipe, we're actually going to do cocktail. Every Friday do a cocktail. So what we're going to show you how to make is a margarita. Now there's 3 different variations you can do with the margarita. You can do the straight up, or you can do on the rocks, which is in a tall glass and have plenty of ice with that, or you can have it frozen, which is where you put all your ingredients together into a blender and then you blitz that and then you have it, which is like a classic summer margarita to have. This is a Mexican cocktail, so the 3 core ingredients you need is 1, you need a tequila, preferably the blanco, which is the white, and it is much better to have the 100% agave tequila. It gives you doesn't give you a bad head in the morning, and just be careful when you buy this from the shops. You can usually buy this on offer about £20 a bottle, but you can spend quite a lot. But if you have a good hunt around, you can find a good deal. £20 for this one. The second ingredient you need is Cointreau. Doesn't have to be Cointreau, but an orange liqueur is what you need for this dish. The third ingredient, which is absolutely essential, is a lime. Now when I shop for limes, I always make sure it has a thin skin. The thinner the skin, the better, and it's better for juicing. Usually the thicker skin ones are better for if you want to get the zest, if you want to do some cooking. But no, generally. So what I've done is I pre-squozen the limes. But what you can generally do is you can either do it with a classic glass, or you can actually do a plastic one where you can collect all the juice. And you can actually do this in advance. You can do the little shot tubs and freeze them in advance, so you can do lots of juicing ahead of yourself. But in this case, we're just going to do it as we come. So all we need to do here is always sieve the limes, because you don't want to have any bits, in the cocktail. One of the other essential ingredients here is ice. Now what you can do is, if it's bulk ice, you can put the ice into a towel and then you can put it all in, and you can actually go outside and bang it against a wall, and you can actually crush your ice that way. That's a really good little knack you can do. It's not always easy to get crushed ice. Once you've got your crushed ice, you put it into your glass. And then this is really easy, because all it is you've got 2 measures of tequila. I've got a little device here where you can just do a 25ml and a 50ml. So you need 1 50ml of tequila. Put that over your crushed ice. Then half of that of your Cointreau, or your orange liqueur. Allow that to dissolve in the ice is quite key with this. This is why you need crushed ice, really. With your lime juice, your fresh lime juice, if you can, that's just 1 shot as well. So 1 shot of lime, 1 shot of orange liqueur, and 2 shots of tequila. Absolutely essential. Right, so we're just going to shake that. Yep. So that's dissolved to one side, and what we're going to do now is we're going to put it into a glass. Now you could actually just pour that into a high glass and that'll be on the rocks. That'll be one variation of doing it. You've got different glasses. You can get these pretty cheap from IKEA. I think these are about £1 a glass. That's your typical martini glass. You've got a nice little coupe glass, which is nice. You can do different cocktails in that. Again, that's about £1 at IKEA. And then you can get these margarita glasses. These are signature margarita glasses, which you can also pick up fairly cheap. So this is what we're going to choose for this one, because this is typical for that. What we're going to do is, all you need to do is get your lime that you've squozen and just do the rim, the outside there. And then you crush some salt, preferably sea salt. I use Malden, or you can use any kind of like sea salt. Sea salt is better. And you just crush that so that you're able to pick it up with the edge of your glass. You go around like this. It's very traditional to salt the rim in Mexico. Sure it's opening up. You've salted the rim, and then we're pretty much ready to serve. So give it a shake for one last time. Then we're ready to serve. There we go. Happy lockdown, everyone. Enjoy